Do you have negative people in your life? I'm sure yes, negative as well as positive. You need to take care of them equally. They are equally important as positive people, because positive people add value in life in terms of inspiration, as motivators, as role models. But negative people, they prove that you are doing better than them. So you need to take care of them. You need to feed them as equal as positive people. Positive people, you give time, listen to them, take something from them to improve something in your life. But for negative people, you have to feed them. Because of them, there are colors in your life. There is a beauty in your life. There is a smile on your face. Because of them, you are where you are. They will find every minute, small thing for you to improve upon. Not because they want to add value in your life, they want you to improve, but to discuss. Sometimes they don't like you. But your job is to pick positive points and improve upon, come as a better version, add value in your life, and show them your improved version, better version, and show them your success. This is your answer for such people. Let me give you an example of Ali. Ali was my ex-colleague. Ali was hired by one of our managers. Ali was immaculate in his work. He was very proactive boy. He added so much value in company's activities because of his active participation, active business. But his manager was not happy from Ali at all because of Ali's performance. Ali's performance was good for company, but it was not leaving an impact for that manager because he was not doing as good as Ali. After a few years, Ali resigned and Ali started his own business in same industry. And further 1.5 years down the line, the same manager went to Ali asking for a job, and Ali kept him. What we get from this message, from this story, is you need to continue achieving your goals no matter how people discuss you, how many negative people you have in your life, because tomorrow they will be working for you. We don't have to hate somebody or dislike somebody. Everyone has a different color. This is how this world is so beautiful, with positive and negative people. We need to take care of them equally. This is our sheer responsibility as a human being. Because of them, we are more colorful, we are more positive, we are where we are. So we need to think positively every point in life, making sure everyone is fed as we are being fed by positive people who are more successful than us. So negative people are important part of your life.